Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach and author. How are you? I come quite closer to the waterfalls and observing it this close really refreshes my mind. I always experience a refreshing mind. So when I come this close, what a beautiful feeling, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. Experiencing this flow of water and this joy. It's a vibrant experience. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. Amazing. And this flow gives you a lot of depth and connectedness, which takes you very, very close within yourself. It's an immersing experience. I cannot just describe in words. I can just go hours and hours and experience this vibrant time and this thick current flow of water. How it is here and how it is there. Have you observed? Did you just observe? What did you observe? Do you see how the water is here? And do you see how the water is here? That's what happens when your life gains momentum. There will be a burst of energy in you. There will be a fresh pool of enthusiasm. And you can realize this only and only when you are living a sensible life, when you learn to prioritize life, when you learn to prioritize relationships that are based and built in love, not in lust, not on those material gains, because the material that you aspire today may not be the same material that you aspire a few hundred years after or a few years later, as there is so much of technological advancement. Remember, there was once a time when a lot of people used to aspire to have one tape recorder, one Walkman. Today, people don't even want an iPod because you get everything in a cell phone. Everything in an app and very good quality stereo headset is required. That's it. There was a time when people used to aspire for pager. Today, who aspires for pager? A lot of people might not even know what a pager is today who are born. So ladies and gentlemen, it's very, very important for us to understand the power and the significance of bringing a bubbling, joyful experience in our life. And this can happen when you're connected to grace and in love. And when you do the right things with life, when you do the right things with your mind, when you do the right things with your emotions, when you do the right things with your physical body, when you do the right things with your energy, don't abuse your body in lust. Don't abuse yourself by putting makeup and trying to please somebody. It's not required. Connect with nature, connect with the self, and understand we have a wonderful life here in this planet if we decide to make it wonderful and make it awesome and enter into other dimensions which are very much a living reality. Stay blessed, stay energized everybody. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'll see you in another amazing video. Good day.